Philippines Today. Hello everyone. Joining us tonight is Santa Fe Cebu former Mayor Jose B. Esgana. Good evening, Mayor Joe.
Good evening, Doc Rayron.
Okay, tell us your purpose and vision for the CPAS Lead Group. But before that, can you please allow our viewers understand what is the meaning of CPAS and what is the inspiration why you have started to advocate for CPAS today?
Okay. CPAS Lead Group is a SEC-registered NGO advocating for transparency and accountability. CPAS Lead Group is an acronym for Citizens Participatory Audit System for Leadership of Exemplary Accounting Discipline to Government Resources with Official Utilization Protocols. CPAS Lead Group. Our motto is to lead na. That is to lead with exemplary accounting discipline and national agenda. Our vision is to have our government, Philippine government, with a strong financial accountability and transparency. Kasi naniniwala tayo, we believe na kapag strong ang ating financial accountability, ay yan ay magiging deterrent sa malpractices at sa mga corruptions. So our mission is to promote that transparency and accountability sa ating gobyerno. Paano natin magawa? So how do we do that? So through the public awareness activities, that is to inform the public with facts and figures coming from the data from our COA audit report sa kanilang website, conducting in-depth studies. So magkakaroon tayo ng analysis sa mga reports, and then sharing the data-driven insights. So maparating natin doon sa public, sa lahat ng mga even hindi mga accountants, ay mapaintindi natin sa kanila. So capacity building through trainings and workshop. So these are the few things that we being started with.
Okay, Mayor Joe, how important is the check and balance to the government as a whole?
Yeah, as I've said, kapag strong ang ating financial accountability and transparency, yan ay magiging deterrent yan sa mga corruption at saka sa malpractices ng ating opisina ng bawat ahensya ng gobyerno. If we have that, I think we can say finally we have a good governance. Me as a former mayor and a certified public accountant, I think we have to do what is to improve the financial accountability natin. So nakikita ko kasi, I observed that mayroong mga financial oversights natin na nag-lead to misuse of funds. So meaning ang control natin, administrative and accounting controls natin medyo mahina talaga. Lalo na kapag walang mga internal auditor ang bawat opisina natin. So importante ang check and balances sa ating gobyerno to prevent abuse of power sa authority and to safeguard individual rights and to ensure that accountability which translates to good governance.
Santa Fe Cebu former Mayor Jose B. Esgana, thank you for your time. Well appreciated.
Thank you.
The Philippines Today. I am Dr. Rayron Del Rosario. Catch us for our next episode only here in IPDCI News Channel.